Do you know what is the difference between edge computing and cloud computing? Welcome to our channel. Today, we will be discussing one of the hottest topics in the tech industry, edge computing versus cloud computing. So, before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. As we become more reliant on data driven applications and services, the way we process and store data is evolving rapidly. Edge computing and cloud computing are two competing paradigms that offer unique advantages and challenges. We will dive into the key differences between these two technologies, their applications, and their potential impact on our future. So let's get started. Edge computing. Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm that reduces the latency and bandwidth needed for data to transit between devices and the cloud by moving computation and data storage closer to where they are needed. Data is transmitted to a central server in traditional cloud computing, processed there, and then returned back to the device after being stored. On the other side, edge computing analyzes data at the edge of the network, closer to where it is generated. This can be done on the device itself, a local server, or a gateway. Compared to standard cloud computing, edge computing has a number of benefits, including reduced latency. Edge computing minimizes the latency and reaction time needed for data to travel to and from the cloud since it processes data closer to where it is generated. Improved reliability. Because data processing and storage can be done locally using edge computing, devices can continue to function even when the network connection is lost. Enhanced security. Because data is not transferred over the internet when it is processed locally, edge computing lowers the danger of data breaches and cyber attacks. Lower costs. Because only the most crucial data needs to be sent to the cloud, edge computing can lower the cost of data transmission and storage. Putting decisions can be made more quickly and with less delay. Scalability. Since computing resources can be added or subtracted as needed, edge computing can readily scale up or down to suit shifting demand. However, edge computing also has some challenges as well, such as data security. Edge computing involves local data storage, which raises the possibility of data breaches and online attacks. Lack of standardization in edge computing makes it challenging for many vendors and systems to communicate and cooperate. To guarantee compatibility and interoperability, standardization initiatives are required. Resource limitations. Edge computing devices frequently have a certain amount of memory and processing power, which might restrict their capacity to process and retain data. To get beyond these restrictions, optimization techniques like data compression and aggregation are required. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a revolutionary technology that has transformed the way we store, process, and access data. It has become an integral part of our digital lives, from our personal devices to large scale enterprise systems. Benefits of cloud computing. One of the key advantages of cloud computing is scalability. With traditional on premises infrastructure, businesses and organizations have to plan for peak usage scenarios and invest in hardware accordingly. With cloud computing, however, resources can be scaled up or down based on demand, providing a more flexible and cost effective solution. There are three main types of cloud computing services: infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, platform as a service like PaaS, and software as a service, or SaaS or SaaS. Infrastructure as a service provides users with access to virtualized computing resources such as storage, processing power, and networking. Examples of IaaS providers include Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. Platform as a service, or PaaS, is a higher level service that provides users with a platform for developing and deploying their own applications. This can include tools and frameworks for building, testing, and deploying applications, as well as support for database management and integration. Software as a service, or SaaS, provides users with access to software applications that are hosted and maintained by the cloud providers. Examples of SaaS providers include Salesforce and Microsoft Office 365. Cloud computing also offers a number of security and cost benefits. With data stored in the cloud, businesses and organizations can avoid the cost and complexity of managing their own data centers and infrastructure. Cloud providers also typically offer advanced security features and protocols such as encryption and multi factor authentication to protect user data from unauthorized access and data breaches. That's it for today. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.